fish tacos. Yum, yum, yum. Add a little angel hair cabbage, purple cabbage, and mix it up. Good job, baby. Add a wedge of laughing cow cheese. Gonna make it creamy. Some sugar-free, sweet Thai chili sauce. A Hughes. Yum, love it. Just a fourth of a teaspoon. Now mix it all up. Now we got it mixed up real good. All clean. We're gonna air fry these outer aisle wraps made from cauliflower and egg. Put it in the air fryer. Leave it 6 minutes and preheat. Don't forget to turn it. Delicious. All right, laying out the fish, smoked fish, smoked cod. Now it's time to plate this thing on up. Got my wrap, cod smoking. Gonna add my slaw here. Yum. Now enjoy. That looks delicious, baby. Thanks for feeding me well. God bless. Enjoy.